Have you ever wondered why some fears grip us so tightly, while others barely cause a shudder? Welcome to the intricate world of fear, a primal emotion that has shaped our evolution and continues to influence our daily lives. Fear, in its simplest form, is an emotional response to a perceived threat. It's a survival mechanism, a call to action that has kept our ancestors alive in the face of predators and natural disasters. But fear isn't just about immediate threats. It can also be a response to potential future dangers, an anticipatory alarm bell that helps us prepare for what's to come. So what happens in our brain when we experience fear? It all starts with the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure located deep within the brain. The amygdala acts as a kind of alarm system, scanning our environment for potential threats. When it detects danger, it sends a distress signal to the hypothalamus, the command center of the brain. This triggers the release of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, preparing our body for a fight or flight response. But fear isn't just a one-size-fits-all response. It's highly subjective, influenced by our individual experiences, beliefs, and even our culture. What terrifies one person might barely faze another. This is due to the complex interplay between our conscious and unconscious minds, our past experiences, and our current emotional state. It's also worth noting that fear can be both adaptive and maladaptive. Adaptive fear helps us respond to real, immediate threats, like a car hurtling towards us at high speed. It can even motivate us to take positive action, like studying hard to avoid failing an exam. On the other hand, maladaptive fear, such as phobias and anxiety disorders, can be debilitating, causing distress and interfering with our daily lives. Interestingly, some of us even fear success. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's more common than you might think. Fear of success is often linked to a fear of change or the unknown. The prospect of stepping into new territory, of leaving behind what's familiar and comfortable, can be daunting. It can also stem from a fear of increased responsibility or expectations that come with success. What if we can't live up to them? These fears can hold us back, preventing us from reaching our full potential. But overcoming fear of success involves embracing change and believing in our own abilities. It's about realizing that success is not something to be feared, but something to be celebrated. Adaptive and maladaptive fear. We summarize that fear is a primal emotion, a survival mechanism that originates from the amygdala and permeates our entire being. It's a complex and subjective journey influenced by countless elements, from our personal experiences to our cultural background. Fear can be a two-sided coin, being both helpful and harmful. It can propel us to action, aiding us to dodge danger and accomplish our objectives. But when it turns chronic or disproportionate to the threat, it can render us incapacitated, inflicting significant distress and impairment. Understanding fear, its workings, and why it impacts us the way it does is the initial step towards managing it effectively. With knowledge comes power, and with that power we can begin to take the reins of our fears instead of letting them rule over us. And that's the conclusion of fear's saga. It's not merely an emotion, but a testament to our enduring nature and malleability as a species. It's a memorandum of our journey so far, and an indicator of the distances we are yet to traverse. Because fear isn't about peril, it's about conquering, about resilience, and about the unyielding human spirit. Voiceover. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the labyrinth of fear. We hope we've managed to unravel some of the complexities and shed light on this often misunderstood emotion. If you found this deep dive into the psychology of fear insightful, we'd love for you to show your support. You can do this by giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button. By subscribing, you're not only supporting our work, but you're also ensuring that you won't miss out on future videos exploring the myriad aspects of human psychology. And remember, our comment section is always open. We value your thoughts and insights, so don't hesitate to share your personal experiences or ask any questions you might have. We're all here to learn and grow together, and your participation fuels this community. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue this journey of understanding together.